Hello friends, and welcome back to the Homesteading Housewife. I am Monica for those of you that are new, and today we are doing a ginger bug. I am so excited to bring you along for this recipe. It is so easy. This is a nice quick thing that you can do right in the morning. It can fit right into your routine, and you have a nice fermented good for you drink that you can make again and again and again, because I'm telling you, your family is gonna love it. I have converted my entire family except for my husband. He's being stubborn. So we are going to be making a couple fermented drinks with it, and I am so excited to bring you along for them. So you may ask yourself, why do I need a ginger bug? Maybe you already brew kombucha, maybe you don't, maybe you just are getting into fermented beverages or fermented foods, and you're just really, why do it? First off, it's super easy. Second, ginger itself is so good for you. So many amazing health benefits. 3, it is not kombucha. So this is going to make different fermented soda versus kombucha, which is a fermented tea that we can ferment a second time to make it bubbly, which I have videos on how to make kombucha and how to go through a second ferment, flavors, etc., etc. Ginger bug is different. So we are going to be making fermented soda, but it is not going to be kombucha. And we're just essentially going to be putting some ginger on crack and making it extra good by giving it the probiotics that the fermenting provides. So without further ado, let's get started on this super easy recipe. Okay, so it is super easy to get a ginger bug started. You just need some sort of vessel. I am just using an old pickle jar, cane sugar, fresh ginger, and water. I like to use filtered water just because you don't want all the chlorine and additives that are in normal tap water. So the first thing you need is fresh ginger, and you do not have to peel it. We're just going to grate about a tablespoon worth to put into our jar. So right into the jar. Then we want to add a tablespoon of sugar, and then 2 cups of water. Now you want to give it a really good stir until all of that sugar is dissolved. So that is it. Here is our finished product. Well, the start of our finished product. So this is just going to sit on your counter. I just have a coffee filter, just chilling. You can use a rubber band. I just have this just sitting just to kind of keep it where it needs to be. But it is very loose, so everything can breathe and ferment. This should only take about 5 to 7 days. It is cooler in my house, so I feel like it's going to take about a full 7 days for me. So every day we are going to feed it a tablespoon of the sugar and a tablespoon of the grated ginger. And then in about a week, this will be ready to use. So I will bring you back in a week, and we will use this in a recipe. And we will also talk more about maintaining your ginger bug as well as storage. So I hope you try it out for yourself. It would be super awesome if everyone was making a ginger bug and we could all learn these recipes together. Thanks for watching.